Hello guys, this is Jerry of Jerry DIY TV. This is the unboxing video of my coffee machine, Nespresso Krups, Inissia white espresso machine. I bought it in see discount here in France with a total of 79.99 euro. And I chose white because this is a good color to my to put in my kitchen here. And this is the description. 0.7 liter and 19 bar the water pressure. It's going to the to the cup, and here she is with 23 cm the height and 12 cm the width and 32 cm the length. So let's unbox it. Okay, let's go. So hello guys, let's unbox this coffee machine, Nespresso Krups Inissia white. This is color white. We check the quality of this coffee machine. We test after. Let's do unbox. Voila. With a big here she is. Voila. With this is a receipt from the delivery company GLS. Here, and here she is. Look, Espresso Inissia from Krups. Color white. Voilà. Let's open it. So let's open from here. Voila. Voila. So here she is with protector, with manual, written in French, Denmark, Dutch, this is German, Portuguese, Hungarian, I'm looking for the English. Where's the English? Yes, it's English here. Anyway, let's there's another paper here. This is the guarantee paper. You fill it up here and then send to this address. Wala. And another here. Ah, with pre. Look. I think this is the capsule. I think this is the capsule. Yes. With pre. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 capsules. From Nespresso. Look. And then here she is. Nothing here. Yes. And here she is. Yes. With the water container here. The back. Then the capsule. You put the capsule here. And then press this here. And this is the tray. It's only a plastic. I saw something like this, but it's steel, stainless steel. But now it's a plastic. But anyway, it's the cheapest Nespresso machine. It's only 79 euro, almost 80 euro. Voila. Look. I think it's, yes, it's 3 kilogram. Look. So let's test it. Okay. So guys, I connected to my inverter here, powered by 24-volt battery. As I prepare to put it here, not in the utility, to save electricity. You know what I mean? Yes, connected to my inverter here. There. Look. So I wash it already. The water container in the back. Let's pour some water here. Remember, we need to put mineral water or distilled water for this, not to make it you know, in the inside there's a small tube piping here inside to make that put some called calcar in France. It's like you know, the mineral deposit that it will turn it solid to block all the you know, the tube inside. So we need to put some water like this, not tap water, huh? Only this. Okay, so let's open it. Yes. Okay. And gets one capsule here. Get one capsule. Put it here. Then press it like that. And then I have a small cup here. If you want bigger than this, you press this button. And if you want like this, only like this, you put this small logo here. Look. Okay, let's try. It's light up now. You see this? It's blink now, then put again. Push it again. And wait. Voila. Look. It's working now. Voila. Now our inverter is expanding. The fan is running now. Look. And guys, this is the coffee from our machine. Let's test it. It's very hot. It is good. Wow. This is my first time to have a machine like this. Wow. I bought a machine like this because somebody told me that this like this capsule is very healthy to our body than to the you put in the bottle with Nescafe, and then you put in the bottle in the cup with hot water and put some sugar and milk. But now I try to drink like this without some sugar in milk. Pure coffee from Nespresso. Okay, and then after we can, and then you see this is the empty capsule. It's working good now. So we take a copy every day for this machine. Okay, thank you very much. And please subscribe to my channel, Jerry DIY TV. I'm doing unboxing, DIY, inverter, and anything. Okay? Please subscribe, Jerry DIY TV. Bye-bye and merci beaucoup. Au revoir.